Friends Friend in the 8th year. Today, I'm going to show you what I see as the absolute best feature of the SCHLAGE Model B262px twin-cylinder deadbolt. And so without further ado, here it is! Now what I see as its absolute best feature is the use of one hex connecting screw on each side of the deadbolt. And that is made possible by the use of the exact same assembly on each side. And by having one assembly on both sides, it dramatically reduces the cost of production, especially when dealing with at least 1,000 of the same model. Yeah, it interferes with the aesthetics of symmetry, but that is far outweighed by being an absolutely excellent tamper-evident lock. Now, let's just say that you have a 262 installed on like your back door, and one day while hanging out with your friends, somebody decides to be an absolute moron and remove the exterior connecting screw and just run off with it. Not only will the interior connecting screw still hold the entire lock together, but it also becomes absolutely obvious that somebody tried to mess with it. And that is also it also serves as a reminder that it's time to get a new deadbolt, because the B262s have long since been discontinued. So that is going to be it for today's video. And so if you actually kind of liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe. And so I want to thank you all so much for watching. And until next time, drive safely! Ugh.